Hallo, ek is Edie. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. It's that time of the year that my life is completely mull. I am either in the pool or I'm on the pool deck. I'm either training myself or I'm coaching someone, and so I don't get as much time as I would like to make videos, but I'm still gonna try my best to make good videos for you guys as much as possible during this summer. This video is about the weather. The weather in Afrikaans is die weer. In this video, I provide you as much vocabulary about weather as possible, and I also teach you some sentences that you can use in Afrikaans conversation to talk about the weather. Talking about the weather in general, here's a couple of sentences that you can use to talk about the weather in general. Hoe lyk die weer môre? That can be translated as, what is the weather like tomorrow? Or, how's the weather looking tomorrow? Wat is môre se weer? What is the weather like tomorrow? Or, what's tomorrow's weather? Or, what's tomorrow's weather like? Wat sê die weervoorspelling? What does the weather forecast say? Hoe is die weer daar? How is the weather over there? Seisoene. Seisoene is the Afrikaans word for seasons. And we have lente, which is spring, somer, which is summer, herfst, which is autumn, and winter, which is winter. Some vocabulary before we get to more sentences. Temperatuur. That is the word for temperature. Matig, mild. Sonnig, sunny. Warm means both hot and warm. Hitte is heat. Vuurwarm. That is the intensive form of warm, and that means extremely hot. Hittegolf, heat wave. Skroeiend, that's an adjective, and it means scorching. And skroei, that is a verb, and it means to scorch. Now looking at the colder side of things, koel or koelerig both mean cool. Koud, cold. Ijskoud, extremely cold. Ysig can mean icy or freezing. So if you're looking for the word in Afrikaans for freezing, that would also be ysig. And then vries, that one's a verb, and it means to freeze. Some easy sentences that you can use to explain to people how you're feeling weather-wise or temperature-wise. Ek kry koud. I'm cold. Dit is koud. It is cold. Ek kry warm. I'm hot. Dit is warm vandag, or dit is vandag warm. That means it is hot today. And lastly, ek het vandag my gat afgevries. I froze my ass off today. Neerslag. Neerslag is the Afrikaans word for precipitation. Reën, rain. Reendruppels, raindrops. Stortreën, downpour. Reënbuie, showers, but you can also say buie when you are speaking to somebody in the context of weather and you mention buie, they will understand that it means showers. Vla, flurries of rain or of water. Motreën, motreën, a drizzle. Motreën, literally translated, the word mot means moth. So moth, like faint, and then rain. So motreën, drizzle. And then we have haal, which is hail. Sneeuw, snow. Sneeuwvlokkies, that is snowflakes. Then we have the word vloed or oorstroming. That means flood. A oorstroming or a vloed both means a flood. Then we have the word oorstroom. If you want to talk about flooding as a verb, something is flooding, then you will use the word oorstroom. You're not going to say something is flooding or flooding. There is no such a word, right? So it'll be iets oorstroom. That's the verb you will use for flooding. Droogte, drought. Some more sentences that you might find useful. Dit reën, dit haal, of dit sneeuw. That means it is raining, snowing, or hailing. Dit is reën, sneeuw, of haal. It is rain, snow, or hail. Daar was 'n vloed, of daar was 'n oorstroming. That means there was a flood. Die rivier oorstroom. The river is flooding. Ons is nou in 'n droogte. We are in a drought now. Some wind-related words. Wind and wind, spelled the same, pronounced differently. Wind is the Afrikaans. Briesie is a breeze. Winderig, windy. Storm, a storm. Stormwind, that is a gale. A gale is a wind, and it is a stormy wind, stormwind. Sometimes they also use the word storm to refer to a gale. Typhoon, typhoon. Orkaan, hurricane. Tornado of draaistorm, that is a tornado. And then we have cycloon or wervelstorm, and that is a cyclone. Some wind-related words. Wind and wind, spelled the same, pronounced differently. Wind is the Afrikaans. Briesie is a breeze. Winderig, windy. Storm, a storm. Stormwind, that is a gale. A gale is a wind, and it is a stormy wind, stormwind. Sometimes they also use the word storm to refer to a gale. Typhoon, typhoon. Orkaan, hurricane. Tornado of draaistorm, that is a tornado. And then we have cycloon or wervelstorm, and that is a cyclone. Weerligstrale or blitse, those are lightning bolts. Weerlig is lightning. Humiditeit, humidity. Weervoorspelling, weather forecast. Donderweer, thunder. And donderwolke, thunderclouds. That was it for the weather. I hope you guys learned something new. Even those of you who have been learning Afrikaans for a while, I hope something in here was unknown to you. Alright, so please let me know in the comment section what you would like to see next, or what you would like me to make a video about next, because I won't be able to make that many videos during the next 6 months. So if there's something that you really want and need me to make now, that it's important for you, please let me know, and I will do my best to make that video. Have an awesome day. I'll see you guys in the next video.